Hi, it's injury attorney Anne Fong, and this is what you need to know. Today, we're going to talk about what happens if you have been involved and injured in an auto accident while you're in a parking lot. And this happens so often, obviously, shopping centers. And when people are in shopping centers, they don't understand that you still have to follow the rules of the road. And sometimes it's a little more complicated than on a regular roadway because there may not be as many stop signs or signs that help dictate, direction of travel. So that's why these are actually very common. So you can definitely get injured. Lots of times the insurance companies want to deny claims based on the fact that they believe in a parking lot or shopping center, the speeds are very low and that people cannot get injured. So that's very common, but that's just something the insurance company does. They deny claims, but you can overcome them. So you can get injured and you can recover a bodily injury settlement from a parking lot accident. The other misconception, the other issue with parking lot accidents is liability, especially if it's a case where you're backing up and another person is backing up. They're really hard to determine unless you have like a video, a witness, or photographs or something that's irrefutable. Otherwise, if it's like a word for word where you're saying, hey, I was already halfway out and the other person backed into me, then obviously it's a he said, she said, and it's really hard to prove. So what happens more often than not is the insurance companies just say, hey, you're both at fault. And so those are some of the things that happen in a parking lot. You can also be in a situation where you hit a person, while you're backing up. So just be careful. Parking lots, the misconception that there aren't accidents or there can't be serious injuries from a parking lot. It's definitely not true. So be careful out there, guys.